Hey guys, how's it going? How to file taxes on Cash App. So first of all, go ahead to the Cash App website. And what you're going to do, you're going to gather information, collect all 1099 forms for all transaction records from Cash App, and then include the income from Cash App on your tax return. Use the 1099 form if provided, or manually report the transactions if not. And if applicable, deduct any related business expenses and submit your tax return through an online tax service or with a tax professional. Make sure to consult a tax professional for personalized advice. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you